For TKN analysis in fecal sludge and wastewater sample, first mix the sample thoroughly and take the required volume of sample into the TKN digestion vessel. The sample volume to be taken is decided based on nature or source of the sample. Now take a fresh butter paper, keep it inside the balance and tear the balance. Now weigh required quantity of potassium sulfate, that is K2SO4, and copper sulfate, that is CuSO4 catalyst in the same butter paper together. Mix the both chemicals properly. Now add the mixture of both potassium sulfate and copper sulfate into the TKN digestion vessel. Depending on organic load, add 10 to 20 ml of sulfuric acid into the TKN digestion vessel. Now keep the vessel in the stand and place the stand into the TKN digestion unit for digestion. Close the vessel with the cover which is connected to the condenser. Switch on the suction pump, fill with water and open the knob of water circulation in the condenser. Digest the sample by ramping the temperature of Geldal digestion unit starting at 150 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes, then at 250 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes and finally 380 degrees centigrade for 1 hour. After digestion, remove the digested vessel filled with sample and place into the Geldal distillation unit. Connect a NaOH solution filled in a plastic jar with the automated distillation unit. Take the 50 ml of 2% boric acid in a conical flask and add few drops of mix indicator. Place the conical flask containing boric acid along with mix indicator at the outlet of distillation unit and make sure that the tube is immersed inside the boric acid. Now switch on the instrument and set the program for adding 50 ml of NaOH automatically and for 4 to 5 minutes of distillation and run it. Make sure that the amount of NaOH addition will change digested sample into the alkaline medium for ammonia liberation, as ammonia liberates in alkaline medium only. After completion of 4 to 5 minutes of distillation, ammonia will absorb into the boric acid present in conical flask, which is connected with the automated distillation unit outlet. After this reaction, the color of boric acid will change from purple to green. Now remove the digestion vessel and place into the stand. Take the distillate and titrate the same with 0.1 normality of sulfuric acid. Color change from green to purple indicates the end point. After titration, note the titer value and calculate as per the formula given in the standard method.